In this Elementor tutorial video, I'm going to show how to add a transparent header in Elementor WordPress. Okay, so you can see over here, this is a page and I'm using the Hello theme right now by Elementor, and this is just the default header provided by Hello theme. No menu, no nothing, okay? And so this is the logo. I haven't still added the logo. So firstly, the first thing before we start building the transparent header, we need to go to customize and add a logo. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a logo over here, and as we are going to add a transparent header, we need to add a white logo. Okay, white logo so that it's visible, okay, gray against the dark background. So I will just like this keep cropping. Great, so I'll just publish it. Great, and then I will close this out, and over here I'll go to the back end of the website, and then go to templates and go to theme builder. Okay, then I will click on header. Over here I'll click on add a new header. Okay, great. So it will suggest me several blocks as you see over here, but I'll just close this out and just do it from scratch. And you see that this default name Elementor header something. So you can go to settings and I can change it out with a more simpler name, transparent header. Great. I'll click on save as draft. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I will add a container over here, Flexbox container, and I'm going to build a very simple transparent header with just the logo and the menu. Okay, great. So in order, firstly, I will set the width, content width to 1200 pixels, and before making it transparent, I will just set a dark background over here so that the elements I'm going to add it will be visible. Okay, so firstly I'll add this one. So the first thing I will add is the site logo over here, which I've added from the theme customizer. Okay, so this is I will make it much smaller. I will go to width and change it to pixels and make it 90 or even less, maybe 70. Okay, so this is the site logo, and then I'm going to add another element called WordPress menu over here. So I will add it over here. Great. So this is pulling out from the menu which I built in the backend. Okay, great. Then what I'm going to do, I will make this menu uh, white so that it's visible. It will be visible. Great. And then I can do a bit more customization. I can make all the menu transform and uppercase, make it smaller. Okay. And then over here, I will do a bit more customization. Uh, Horizontal padding, I will make the space between to 25. Okay, great. Now that is done, what you're going to do, and click over here in this container, and then we go to layout and change the direction from down this vertical to row horizontal. And then I want the logo to over here, this end on the left hand and this menu on the far right hand side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to justify content and choose this option, space between. So this will put these two elements in both sides. Okay, great. So this is done, and then I will also click on this and align these items in the center over here so that this nicely aligned vertically centered. Okay, great. So that is done. What we're going to do now is then let's see. So that is done. Let's check the tablet. Okay, on the tablet version, you see that the toggle is not visible over here. So to make it visible, the toggle button, I'm going to set the color to white. Great. Now you can see background color. I can set to something like, I'll let it be just like the way it is. Okay. And then if you click on this, you see that it opens up kind of weirdly without, it pushes down the, it expands the header. So to fix that, go to content and turn this on full width. Okay, great. So this, now it looks much nicer. If I click on it, you see that it opens up like this. Great. Then I go to mobile, it also looks fine. So this is the header. Okay, then now we need to work on to make it transparent over here. And then what you do is go to layout, and then okay, before we work on make it transparent, we need to add a fixed height to this header. Go to layout and minimum fixed height, let's see 80. Okay, 80. And if I increase it a bit, okay, it is okay. So minimum height is set to 80. And then go to advanced and go unlink the margin over here and bottom. And over the bottom margin, we also need to make it 80. So it will pull the content at the bottom of the header upwards. Okay, now then we make go to this container, go to style, and then we make the background color transparent. Okay, now you see the logo and the menu is difficult to see, that's why I used a black background, so that now that is transparent. And we are going to publish this header, and we're going to add a condition called entire site. This header will be applied to the entire site, including this page over here. Okay, so this header is published. Now if I refresh it, okay, you see the menu is appearing, but you see the logo is not appearing. Okay, easy to fix this issue, very easy to fix this issue. Go to container, go to layout, go to settings, advanced, and then we're going to add a z index of 10 to this header. Then I will publish it again. Okay, and then I will refresh this page. You see now the logo is appearing. Okay, great. Now if I hover over it, okay, so this is how it works. And if I can also check the mobile and tablet version over here. So if I go to iPhone 15 Pro Max, you see that this is how it looks. You see the header looks nicely working like this. And I can also check the tablet over here. You see that it is looking nice, transparent header. Okay, so this is how you add a transparent header in Elementor WordPress. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.